Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with ATBBQ.com, and this is herb roasted smashed potatoes. Now there's gotta be a million ways to cook potatoes, but I keep coming back to this recipe for years and years, and that's for a couple of reasons. One, it's super easy, and two, it's super tasty. The heaviest lifting in this recipe is simply chopping up some herbs. We've got some sage, some rosemary, and some thyme. We want about a tablespoon of each minced up. For the potatoes, we're using baby red potatoes. I love these thin-skinned potatoes. I don't even have to peel the skins off of them. They just mash up really nice, and it gives it extra texture. We're gonna add to that our herbs, about 1 tablespoon of our Cattleman's Grill Trail Dust all-purpose seasoning, and about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. We're gonna give these a good toss to get the potatoes completely coated in all those seasonings, the oil, and the herbs. Today we're cooking on the Yoder Smokers YS 480S pellet grill. It's running at 425 degrees with hickory pellets. I'm gonna throw this up top so there won't be any scorching, and then cover it with a lid to help the cooking process. Potatoes have been cooking away for an hour now. We're gonna give it the old smash test. Yep, those are looking good. Now while these are still steaming hot, I'm gonna throw 1 stick of butter in here. We're gonna let it melt down for about 5 minutes before we mash it. Butter is fully melted now, and this is the last little bit. We're gonna give this a good mash. We're gonna season it up with some smoked salt, and that's it. Super easy. Now we've got that little bit of trail dust in here that's gonna give it some salt. It's close, but it's not quite there. So we're just gonna do a quick shake of smoked salt. This is totally to taste. There's no measurements for it, whatever you like. We'll always start slow with salt because you can always add more, but you can never take it away. I love that this dish has texture, and I love mashed potatoes as much as anyone else, but with the skins in there and the fact that we didn't completely whip them, and there's a lot going on flavor-wise with all of those herbs and the butter in there. That's pure comfort food. So easy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out ATBBQ.com for all the products featured in today's video. If you enjoy the recipe, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments, or there's anything you'd like to see me cook, let me know in the comment section down below, and let's be good to one another. For more recipes, tips, and techniques, head over to ATBBQ.com/thesauce. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.